Crypto has been in the red all week, but that might not be the case for much longer. With this recent dip that we've been experiencing, a couple of buying opportunities have presented itself. And that's why I've compiled a list of the top 3 cryptos to buy now in April 2022. If I could only buy 3 cryptos today and hold it for a year, these are the 3 cryptos that I would buy. But make sure that you guys leave a like and subscribe and watch all the way until the end of the video so you don't miss any of the cryptos I'm about to give you guys. So the first crypto we're going to be talking about today is going to be none other than Solana. So Solana is actually down about 10% today. And in the past week, it is down about 19%. Now, Solana was at one point up in the $140 range earlier this week. Now it's all the way down to $108. However, this presents a very good buying opportunity. So you might be wondering, what is Solana? Basically, Solana is a decentralized blockchain built to enable scalable, user-friendly apps for the world. It's going to be powerful for developers and fast for everyone. You can see here they do over 1,000 transactions per second. Now this number does change on how many validator nodes are live, and then obviously total transactions. There have been over 67 billion transactions with Solana going up every single second in the thousands. But the average cost per transaction is less than a cent. It's at about 2/100ths of a penny right now for the average cost per transaction, and this is going to be a competitor to Ethereum. So right now Solana is sitting at about number 7 in terms of market cap with a $35 billion market cap. Ethereum is sitting somewhere in the $300 billion range for their market cap. So it is a better blockchain as it currently is than Ethereum. Ethereum is moving to a proof of stake protocol, but what Solana uses is a combination of a proof of history and a proof of stake protocol as well. Ethereum is currently on proof of work. They will be moving to proof of stake, and they will most likely be better than Solana at that point. However, Solana is 1/10 the market cap, so there is a massive upside here. It's a very fast growing ecosystem. And the real thing about Solana is that it's going to be scalable. So once you integrate once, you're never going to have to worry about scaling again. Solana can ensure composability between ecosystem projects by maintaining a single global state as the network scales. And the real benefit of Solana is going to be that it's low cost and it's fast forever. So yeah, low cost and fast. It's really hard to do that with the blockchain, but Solana has managed to do it. Now, in terms of price action, technical analysis, like I said, market cap, they are number 7 in terms of market cap. Their market cap's at 35 billion and their volume is at about 2.2 billion. Over the last month, we have obviously had a major rise from all the way in the 70s all the way to the 140. So really 100% gain over the past month, and then now we have seen a drop all the way to the $109 area. Now I think we're going to see an increase of Solana all the way to the $200 area sometime in the next couple of months here. I think crypto is just having a bit of a correction right now, and we should be seeing a ton of gains and the bull run continue with crypto here soon. But yeah, Solana definitely should be on your watch list. The second crypto we're going to be going over today is going to be none other than Avalanche. So this is something I've talked about a ton. These are going to be 3 cryptos that I personally think if you just could only buy 3 cryptos, you should be buying these 3 cryptos. And Avalanche is going to be currently down about 7%. Over the past week, it's down about 14%. So not quite as bad as Solana in terms of losses. However, they are down a good amount today as well. But in terms of what Avalanche is, it is going to be a blazingly fast, low cost and eco-friendly blockchain. Avalanche is the fastest smart contracts platform in the blockchain industry as measured by time to finality. So what can you do with Avalanche? You can build fast, low cost, Solidity compatible apps. You can launch customized blockchains, private and public, and you can scale to millions of validators with minimal hardware. This is really good for developers as well as the normal customer or user. And yeah, it's basically fast, and it's fast just like Solana is. But you can see here, you can have infinite transactions per second compared to Bitcoin 7, Ethereum's 14. And then transaction finality, it takes about less than 2 seconds for a transaction to go through on Avalanche compared to Bitcoin being 60 minutes, Ethereum being 6 minutes. And then obviously it is a proof of stake protocol, so you're going to be able to earn staking rewards from this as well. So yeah, this is a very, very good DeFi crypto, and it's something you should definitely have on your watch list. In terms of the technicals, the market cap is at about 22 billion, so it's about 1/3 less valuable than Solana is. It's currently ranked number 10 in terms of market cap, and the volume is sitting at about 1.3 billion, which is also less than Solana. However, they have a lower market cap, so it might have have a bit more wider ranges or wider swings in price than maybe Solana will have. But Avalanche is definitely something that could get into that top 5 at some point. So going from a ranked number 10 to top 5 would definitely lead to a 5x to 10x return, and Avalanche is something you need on your watch list. And really quick, guys, before we get into our last cryptocurrency for today, if you guys want to get a free stock worth up to $1,000, then go ahead and get signed up to public.com with the first link in the description. Public.com is a social investing network that allows you to see what your favorite investors are buying and selling in the stock and crypto markets. Plus, when you use our link and deposit just $1, you get the chance to earn a free stock worth up to $1,000. So go ahead and click that first link in the description to get signed up to public.com. And the final crypto we're going to be talking about today is going to be none other than Terra Luna. So Terra is down about 11% today. That is a ton, but it is also going to be one of the my favorite cryptos on this list. Now, in the past week, it is down about 11%. So it did have an okay start to the week. Over the last 24 hours is really where it took its biggest dip. However, that provides us a great buying opportunity. Now, you might be wondering what Terra Luna is. So Terra is a big ecosystem. It has Luna, which is going to be the coin that you should be investing in. And then it also has UST, which is going to be its stable coin. It's basically ran off its stable coins. And yeah, you can spend, save, and stake like never before. Terra is a public blockchain protocol deploying a suite of algorithmic decentralized stablecoins which underpin a thriving ecosystem that brings DeFi to the masses. So what does this mean? Basically, it has an industry-leading decentralized stablecoin UST, which is also one of the top market cap cryptocurrencies, and then vibrant smart contracts platform, a thriving cross-chain DeFi environment, and you can build on the Cosmos SDK and Tendermint consensus. Now, there's a ton of different things that you can do on the Terra network, but you can start building. You can get started with Station, which is creating a wallet. You can explore the ecosystem, and you can do it. You can actually run a full node as well. But really, Terra Station is going to be the one thing I want to kind of go over real quick. This is going to be their wallet. So actually, if you stake your Terra Luna on here right now, you can get up to 7% per year return on your investment with Luna. And then also, if you go to your wallet here, if you do deposit your UST, which is going to be one of their stable coins, you can get 19.5% on your Terra Luna. So Terra Station is one of their things, and it is amazing. Now, in terms of technical analysis, Terra Luna obviously not having a great day today. However, the market cap is sitting at about 33 billion, which is pretty much right behind Solana. They're ranked number 9 in terms of market cap, and the volume is actually higher than Solana's right now, most likely because they are kind of having a bigger sell-off. However, it looks like we are starting to see some stabilization. The volume is at 3.1 billion, up 30%, and obviously Terra Luna didn't have a good day today. However, this provides an amazing buying opportunity. Right now is a great time to get into each of these different cryptocurrencies, and Terra Luna should definitely be on your watch list and should be a top 5 crypto by the end of the year. That's going to be it for the top 3 cryptos to buy now in April 2022. Like I said earlier, if I could only buy 3 cryptocurrencies for the year of 2022, these would be the 3 I would be buying, because I believe these are all top 5 cryptos and all have a massive upside. But remember to comment down below your favorite cryptocurrency at the moment, get your free stock with the first link in the description, and also join our private Discord with that second link in the description. But other than that, guys, that's all I'm going to have for you guys today. I'm Zach with Finance Bro. Take it easy.